Hello friends, welcome to Market 360 Degree. This is Rajesh Bothra. Today we talk about the TCS buyback, and in this video we will cover all the important dates and the other criteria to participate into TCS buyback 2020. Let's start with the key information about this particular buyback. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि ये TCS ने जो बायबैक अनाउंस किया था ऑन 7th of October 2020 एंड दे promise all their shareholder that they are buying back all the share at the rate of 3000 एंड जिस वक्त ये बायबैक अनाउंस किया था उस वक्त TCS का करंट मार्केट प्राइस चल रहा था समवेयर अराउंड 2700 सो दे अप्रोक्सीमेटली ऑफर 10% प्रीमियम on their current value, and total value of the buyback is around 16,000 crore and the total share percentage is around 1.42 percentage, and they have put it the record date on 28th of September. So 28th of September, November, if you are holding any stock of TCS before on date of 28th of November, you are eligible for to participate in this buyback. Now TCS generally keeps sending their broker keeps sending, or let's say their registrar keeps sending tender offer by email and by mailer also. In case of if anybody not get any detail on this buyback share, there is a very simple procedure to find out all the detail about your tender share and how much share आपको टेंडर के लिए मिले हैं. तो यहाँ पे हम आपको दिखाएंगे डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द वेबसाइट. आप यहाँ पे विजिट कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं वेबसाइट, लिंक्डइन वेबसाइट, लिंक्डइन टाइम में. यहाँ पे जैसे ही आप क्लिक करेंगे बायबैक ऑफर में, तो यहाँ पे आपको एक पेज मिलेगा जिसमें TCS का रहेगा. तो जैसे ही हमने यहाँ पे डाला एक, आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारे को जो डिटेल है वो वी विल ऑटोमेटिकली गेट अबाउट द डिटेल. तो यहाँ पे ये आ गया डिटेल, एंड व्हेन वी क्लिक विल गेट द होल टेंडर ऑफर. टेंडर ऑफर बेसिकली इट्स अ ऑफर which is acceptable offer from the TCS, that number of share has been accepted out of total number share dematerialized on the record date. सो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे 9 शेयर डीमेटेरियलाइज थे, डीमेट में थे, और उसमें से TCS ने 9 शेयर को एलिजिबल किया है फॉर बायबैक एंटाइटलमेंट. नाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स जो कि बायबैक के लिए, तो एज पर द रीसेंट अनाउंसमेंट बाय TCS, तो देयर बायबैक डेट इज 18 December to 1st of January. 18 December to 1st of January, these are the important date you can apply in this date for the buyback entitlement. Now how to apply for this buyback? You can do you can apply with the two different things. Either you can directly call up your broker and tell them, okay, I have entitlement and I have a tender for this TCS shares, and these are the number of shares, they will apply for you. Or if you are having account in Zerodha or maybe in Upstock or any online services, you can directly apply by yourself. Like we have an example for Zerodha. You can see this is the Zerodha platform, and from here we can directly go to console, that is the back office of Zerodha. Okay, so this is the console platform, and from here you can see the portfolio and click on the corporate action. So here we have corporate action, and you can clearly see that there is a one active buyback which is from TCS, and it says that the offer is starting from 17th of December and offer will end by 6 o'clock. Now, and offer price is bid, offer price is 3000. Now it's a very simple, you go here, you'll find one button, this is the place the order, and simply you put the number of share you have been tendered or you have been entitled. So here if I put a number which I have been entitled, let's say 3, and once you place the order, it will directly go to the your bid place, and once the buyback date close, you will automatically get the remittance from the or payment from the TCS on this buyback. However, I'll place the order here, but it will not be placed because in this particular demat we don't have any stock available. So you can see this is the incorrect order. So this is the simple procedure for the buyback, and if you have any other query regarding the buyback and how stock will perform after the buyback, after let's say 31st of December, So for that, please put your messages, queries on our YouTube channel, and